Have you ever felt like your business bank account is a financial black hole, constantly sucking in revenue and leaving you guessing about your actual profit? It's a common struggle for entrepreneurs. You work hard, sales are coming in, but at the end of the month, the numbers just don't add up to the profit you envisioned. This isn't just about managing money, it's about shifting your mindset from a constant struggle to a predictable path of profitability. Imagine a world where profit isn't an afterthought, a hopeful leftover, but a non-negotiable, guaranteed outcome. A world where you pay yourself first, where your tax obligations are automatically covered, and where your operational expenses are funded with clarity. This isn't some financial fantasy, it's the core principle of Profit First, a revolutionary cash management system developed by Mike Michalowicz. And today, we're going to dive deep into how you can implement this powerful system specifically using Relay, a banking platform designed with modern businesses in mind. Relay isn't just another bank, it's a banking solution that makes the Profit First methodology not just possible, but incredibly efficient. Its ability to create multiple sub-accounts with ease is a game-changer for entrepreneurs looking to gain crystal-clear visibility into their finances and ensure every dollar has a job. We're talking about taking the theoretical power of Profit First and turning it into a practical, actionable system that empowers you to build a truly profitable business. Before we jump into the how-to with Relay, let's quickly recap the fundamental principles of Profit First, because understanding the why will fuel your commitment to the how. The traditional accounting formula is sales expenses equals profit. Mike Michalowicz flips this on its head to sales profit equals expenses. This isn't just an algebraic rearrangement, it's a psychological shift. It dictates that you allocate a predetermined percentage of your revenue to profit first, before you even think about operational expenses. This profit-first approach is built on the human tendency to consume whatever is available. If you have a lump sum of money in one account, you're more likely to spend it. By divvying up your income into specific purpose-driven accounts, you create artificial constraints that force financial discipline. It's like having a separate jar for your vacation fund, a separate jar for your house down payment, and so on. You're less likely to dip into your vacation money for groceries if it's physically separated. The standard Profit First accounts include Income account. This is your main hub, where all your revenue initially lands. Profit account. This is where you allocate your guaranteed profit. This money is untouchable for daily operations. Owner's pay account. This is where you pay yourself, the business owner, a consistent and predictable salary. Tax account. This is where you set aside funds for your future tax obligations, eliminating end-of-year tax surprises. Operating expenses, OPEX, account. This is where you fund your day-to-day business operations. Now, let's talk about why Relay is such an ideal partner for implementing Profit First. Relay's core strength lies in its ability to create up to 20 checking accounts, all with their own unique account numbers, within a single business banking platform. This is a massive advantage over traditional banks that often limit you to 1 or 2 checking accounts, making the physical separation required by Profit First a cumbersome process. With Relay, you can create a dedicated account for each of your Profit First allocations, providing unparalleled clarity and control. So, how do we actually set this up in Relay? Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Open your Relay account, if you haven't already. If you don't have a Relay account yet, the first step is to open one. The process is straightforward and can be completed online in minutes. You'll need your business information, EIN, and personal identification. Once your account is approved and active, you're ready to move to the next crucial step. Step 2. Rename your primary checking account to Income. When you open your Relay account, you'll have a primary checking account. The very first thing you want to do is rename this account to Income. This will be your central clearinghouse for all incoming revenue. To do this, simply navigate to your Accounts section in Relay, select your primary checking account, and look for the option to edit the account name. Make it clear and concise, Income. Step 3. Create your core Profit First accounts. Now, the real power of Relay comes into play. We're going to create the dedicated sub-accounts for your Profit First allocations. Creating the Profit account. In your Relay dashboard, look for the option to add account or create new account. Select checking account. Name this account profit. You'll be prompted to provide an initial deposit. While you'll be transferring funds here later, you might want to deposit a small token amount to get it set up, or just proceed without a deposit if that's an option. Repeat this process for the remaining core accounts. Creating the Owner's Pay account. Follow the same steps as above, naming this account Owner's Pay. Creating the tax account. Again, same process, naming this account Tax. Creating the Operating Expenses, OPEX, account. You can also create a separate account for your operating expenses, naming it OPEX. While some businesses might keep OPEX in the primary checking account, having a dedicated OPEX account offers even greater clarity, especially if you have numerous expenses. At this point, you should have at least 5 distinct checking accounts in your Relay dashboard: income, profit, owner's pay, tax, and operating expenses. Step 4. Determine your allocation percentages. This is where the customization of profit first comes in. The beauty of the system is its flexibility. While Mike Michalowicz provides benchmark percentages in his book, your specific business and industry will dictate your ideal allocations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.